Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super useful, an N8N workflow to automate cover letter creation. Whether you're a beginner curious about N8N or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your job application process, this one's for you. In this video, we'll walk through how to automate the entire cover letter development process using N8N. And to make things even smoother, we've broken the process into 3 key parts. Step 1. Converting your skills and project data into a vector store. If you haven't seen that step yet, make sure to check out the video linked in description. Step 2. Creating a handy macOS shortcut. This makes triggering your workflow quick and effortless. Step 3. And finally, setting up the actual N8N workflow that brings it all together. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into setting up that macOS shortcut to make the whole process a breeze. All right. Now let's set up our macOS shortcut. This will allow us to trigger our N8N workflow with just a simple copy and click. Super handy, right? So first, open the Shortcuts app on your Mac and hit the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Now we're going to add a few simple actions. The first one is Get Clipboard. This will grab whatever text you've just copied, like a job description or requirement. Next, we'll add Get Contents of URL. This is where we'll connect to our N8N webhook. Basically, we're passing the clipboard data to our workflow so it can do its magic. And finally, we'll add a Show Result action. This will pop up the processed, customized cover letter in a modal window, ready to copy and use. And that's it. Your shortcut is now set up, and you're ready to trigger the automation with just a couple of clicks. Now that we've got the shortcut part sorted, let's move on to the real engine behind this process, the N8N workflow itself. Now let's talk about the core of our automation, the N8N workflow. While we could keep this super simple with a basic RAG setup, we're taking it a step further. Why? Because we want our AI agent to have context. And that context makes a huge difference when it comes to generating high-quality personalized cover letters. So here's how the workflow is structured. It all begins with a webhook node. This is where we define our endpoint, set the HTTP method, and add the credentials required for secure access. These same credentials are used when we trigger the workflow from the macOS shortcut we just created. Next, we handle some field mappings, basically structuring the job description data we're receiving from the clipboard. After that, we introduce a basic LLM chain node. This node helps us generate a set of smart questions based on the job description we've pulled in. These questions will help guide the AI in understanding what's really being asked for in the role. Once we have those questions, we pass them through a question and answer chain node. This is where the magic happens. This node reaches out to our vector store retriever tool, which is connected to Pinecone. That means we're not just blindly generating a cover letter, we're building it based on your actual skills and project data stored in the vector database. Pretty powerful stuff, right? All right, now comes the exciting part, our AI agent node. This is where all the prep work pays off. We pass 2 key things into this node, the job description data, which we pulled from the clipboard, and the context we built earlier using our question-answer chain. Our AI agent is connected to the Groq API and uses the Qwen LLM model, which gives us fast and highly relevant results. To keep the conversation flowing smartly, we've also attached a basic window buffer memory to it. But that's not all. It's also enhanced with 2 powerful tools. A Google search tool to fetch any missing context from the web in real time, and a question and answer vector store tool, which taps directly into our Pinecone vector store for any additional skill or project data that can enrich the cover letter. We've also carefully crafted a custom prompt to make sure the AI uses all the available data effectively and stays on point. Once the AI agent processes everything and generates the cover letter, we run the output through a Markdown node to convert it from Markdown format to clean, readable HTML. Finally, we send this response back to the webhook, which triggers the modal window on your Mac, showing your freshly generated, fully personalized cover letter. Boom. All done in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future automation tutorials. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what workflows you're building. Until next time, happy automating.